Hopefully you're all staying safe. And want to show you guys some data as to impact to advertising during the COVID-19 era. And also to give you a couple ideas as more and more of my clients, they're trying to get prepared on post-COVID-19 era on what to do with their marketing spend. And some of them are already there because they already got their PPP fund already this week. And they have to hire their team back. And now is they have to, what do they have to do? Because once they hire everybody back, there's not enough jobs to go around. There's not, but they gotta start spending now to get back to what they were doing pre-COVID-19 era. So at least there's some leads coming in. But we all know conversion will still be lousy compared to before. But I want to just go over some data with you. Because there's quite a bit of data flowing out there, but this is a very, very reputable source from Search Engine Watch. So overall, just looking at data here, and traditional marketing advertising is down by 51% in ad spend. Okay, that's March and April so far. Yeah, most people cut their offline marketing first. Digitally, social media is cut by 33%, and search is cut by 30% as well. So pretty big drop, even for social media spend and paid search spend. That's why if you're actively managing your account right now, you will see the cost per click is actually cheaper right now just because people are pulling out of these. But very interesting here is this. What are people doing now? Right? As we know, more and more of them are actually locked at home. They're on the internet more. And this is a very interesting one here. It shows, for example, across the board, all, right, Gen Z, millennials, Gen X, boomers, more of them are online right now. For example, searching for anything to COVID-19. That's across the board, right? Listening to music, watching movies, not a surprise. Watching funny videos, right? Everybody's a little bit depressed, locked at home right now. So you're watching more funny videos. Again, that's across the board, whether you're Gen Z, millennial, Gen X, or boomers. Playing games on mobile. And I'm pretty surprised. Even the boomers, they're playing more games right now, right? But you can see overall, right, searching for discount, just overall activities, right, are up, okay? So that's interesting, right? Not a surprise, more people are locked away. So this is the interesting thing here is more people are online these days and less businesses are spending these days. Again, if I'm a business owner, I will do the same, right? That's what we recommend our clients, especially in the home improvement sector, is to cut back your marketing spend. But now, since they have a PPP fund infusion, now we're slowly trying to ramp up their ad spend again. Slowly, not like right away. Let's get back to pre-COVID-19 era because the conversion is still lousy right now. But I just want to share with you today, right, some interesting data. How many, what are people doing? Other businesses, they're cutting back on ad spend. So digitally, not as bad as compared to traditional, right? But more people are online still, right? But as we are looking for post-COVID-19, how do we slowly ramp up their spend? That's something I'll share with you. A few of our clients are already doing that. And I'll share with you conversion data, things like that. But so far, conversion still is a little bit lousy, but conversion actually is not bad for some of those who are able to adapt into virtual selling. They still can do virtual appointments, virtual selling. So those are the companies are still doing relatively well.